Grand Bollywood and Celebrity Weddings 2024, Decoding the Looks. 2024 was, by any measure, one of the biggest years for big Indian weddings, a string of high-profile celebrations that dominated timelines, style pages, and group chats for months on end. Beyond the headlines, though, what these weddings really did was reset the mood board for Indian bridal fashion. Heavier silhouettes came back. Between multi-day celebrations, international guest lists, and a steady drip of never-ending outfit reveals, 2024 celebrity weddings turned Indian bridal fashion into a genuine cultural moment. Designers who usually work quietly for private clients suddenly had their work dissected outfit by outfit online, and regional textile traditions, Banarsi weaves, Bengal's Sholapit work, South Indian temple jewelry, got a level of mainstream attention they rarely receive. The net effect for everyday brides and grooms has been a widened vocabulary. After a few years of minimalist, pastel-heavy bridal fashion, 2024's big weddings pulled hard in the opposite direction, rich fabrics, structured cuts, and maximalist embroidery. The lightweight, barely there lehenga gave way to something with real weight and presence. The structured lehenga, a stiffened, heavily embroidered silhouette that holds its shape beautifully on camera. Red is, and probably always will be, the default bridal color in India, but 2024 celebrity weddings pushed several alternate palettes into the mainstream conversation. The 2024 palette shift, deeper, richer tones over the pale pastels of recent seasons. The common thread across all of these, richer, deeper tones photograph better under warm indoor lighting and flash photography than the pale pastels that trended a few seasons ago, a genuinely practical reason behind the shift, beyond aesthetics alone. If one category defined 2024's biggest weddings more than any other, it was jewelry. Layered necklaces, uncut diamond polki sets, and temple-style gold pieces replaced the single delicate necklace that had been trending for a few years prior. What was everywhere? Grooms were not an afterthought in 2024's biggest weddings. If anything, menswear got more editorial attention than in previous years. The plain bandhgala gave way to something with far more texture and detail. Menswear, elevated, hand-embroidered fabric and a contrast sapphire replacing the plain matching set. Pre-wedding functions used to be treated as the easy outfits. This year, they got almost as much planning as the main ceremony look. The mehendi function, dressed up, color-matched floral jewelry instead of plain white. Mehendi floral jewelry. Bridal makeup in 2024 moved firmly away from the heavy, full-glam look that dominated the last decade. The dominant request in bridal makeup studios this year was some version of natural, but done properly, dewy skin, softly defined eyes, and a bold lip or a bold eye, but rarely both at once. Dewy over matte, skin-like, glowing bases replaced full heavy coverage this year. One quieter but consistent trend across 2024's big weddings, real thought given to how the couple's outfits work as a pair in photographs, coordinated palettes without being identical, and jewelry and fabric choices considered as a joint aesthetic rather than two separate outfits. Coordinated, not matched, a shared color family with contrasting textures and jewelry reads far more intentional than an identical outfit set. Big celebrity weddings this year leaned into florals at a scale most couples can't replicate, but the underlying design choices scale down surprisingly well. Single flower drama, one flower type in varying shades reads as more considered than a mixed bouquet. Monochrome floral installations, a single flower type in varying shades, rather than a mixed bouquet look, reads as more expensive at any budget. Celebrity wedding budgets are, obviously, not the norm, but the visual language they popularized can be recreated at almost any budget with the right substitutions. The finishing details separated a good bridal look from a great one this year. The finishing layer, jutis, a considered clutch, and asymmetric bangles complete the look. Embroidered mojerus or jutis match to the outfit, rather than plain sandals hidden under the lehenga. Strip away the scale and the price tags, and 2024's biggest weddings offer a genuinely useful style brief. Lean into traditional craftsmanship over trend chasing. Treat jewelry as a considered layered story rather than a single piece. Give the groom's outfit as much thought as the bride's, and let the couple's looks work together as a pair rather than in isolation. What actually lasts? A considered look, not a trend-chased one. None of that requires a celebrity budget, it requires intention.